How to trade in Pet Simulator X. First of all, press the middle bottom icon on your screen. That will bring up this menu where it says your pets. There you'll have a few different options. You want to click the second one on the right hand side of the menu there. That's going to be the trading menu. Here you'll be able to see all the different people in the lobby. You'll also be able to see the history of people you've traded with, and also your friends potentially in here as well. So that's the section where you need to go into trading. Then once you find the person you want to trade with, you want to go ahead and click on their name. So for instance, me at the top, I click the Matty person's name. Then a trade request will be sent over. They will need to accept the trade request on their end. You could do it with multiple people. Potentially they will ignore you like that. But if you send them to a few different people, eventually someone will accept, and then there'll be a trade option pop up on the screen, and then you'll be able to put in your pets, your different items into the trade on the left hand side there where it says your offer. You can go ahead and click on whichever you want, tick it. That's what's going to be put into the trade. You can go ahead and untick it as well by pressing it down. Then on the right hand side you'll see what they're putting in the trade. If you're happy with it, you can go ahead and click yes. If not, you can click no. You can cancel, but if you're ready to trade, you can click on ready. Then it will go through. If not, you can cancel it. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, to subscribe for more helpful videos.